Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jay with you. Today I'm going to show you HJG fog lights, Y type. HJG fog light which is Y type. You can see. I'll show the pieces. I'll open this box. I'll show you. Build quality is good. This is the one we have, Y type. You can see the branding as well. You can see the quality of this. Okay, you have it has a double color, and you won't get a harness with this. You need to purchase separately for the harness. You will get harness separately. This one will come with harness. Can see it has a 9 LED. With yellow light, and you will get the clamp as well to mount this, and the fixing kit. I'll show you one sample. Taking this out. This is the yellow cover. I can remove this one, and this is the light. It has 9 LED, and this is the harness. You will get separately if you want. It has a flasher too. I will show you one piece. This is the harness. It will come along with the switch. It's a CNC switch, aluminum one, not a plastic. And this is the relay, and this is the flasher, and these are the connectors. You will get this full set, and you have one fuse also. Yeah, I'll give a link in the description for the price details. Yeah, thanks for watching.